Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a BMW X1 guys and you have oil leak in your valve cover, let's say the pockets in your valve cover are full of oil guys, we'll explain what causes that. It could be 3 things, maybe even 4. Make sure you stand till the end, we'll cover everything from start to finish guys. So that's very common guys to happen on vehicle that has higher mileage or engine that's a little bit older, okay, or it has been exposed to extreme cold climate or hot climate, because that's when seals tend to actually start leaking and fail. Now you may notice that you have oil in your valve cover pockets guys, and it gets stinky when it gets hot. It smells like that oil, burning oil inside your cabin when you turn the heater on. Sometimes it can get so bad to the point sometimes that it drips that engine oil on the exhaust, and you can even see smoke coming from under the hood. So let me show you guys the 3 things that can cause that, but all the tools and parts to fix that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. Another thing guys, if you want to see where we get our parts, check out the links. But every single car that we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let me show you okay what we have here and how we're going to fix that problem. We'll demonstrate on N52 engine that has been used in multiple BMWs, by the way. You can find in BMW 1 Series, X1, 3 Series, X3, 5 Series, X5. Well, this is one of the most popular engines. But even if you have a 4-cylinder engine guys, even if you have a 6-cylinder or a gasoline diesel engine, okay, it will apply to multiple engines, because almost all of them function that way. So let me show you now. Okay, right here, if I come between ignition coil cylinder 1 and 2, okay, that's engine oil right there on the inside. I'm trying to get the light so you can see between cylinder number, okay, right here 3 and 4, all that is engine oil guys, and it just keeps dripping engine oil, and it gets so much, you can see, and it evaporates, and it gets right here that everything gets really stinky and smelly when you open the hood. So what causes that now? Okay, it's by the way super simple guys. The number 1 cause, okay, is a bad valve cover gasket. Depending on the engine, you may have a different valve cover, but this is your valve cover gasket. Often you have in the middle another gasket, okay, and this is for the spark plugs wells. That's the spark plug hose right here, and you have sometimes, okay, gasket for the bolt in the middle, and this bolt is right here, and if that gasket is failing around these bolts, you will start putting oil in your valve cover, which is super common guys. At that point probably your valve cover will be dripping oil on the exhaust as well, so that will cause guys, okay, that will cause some smoke coming from under the hood very often, because when that oil drips on the hot exhaust, the catalytic converter there, it's going to actually be pretty stinky. Now what else can cause that? Some engines will have a Valvetronic motor located on top of the valve cover gasket. The Valvetronic motor looks like that, and it's located right here usually. We'll have a video how to remove and replace it if you need to, if you have a BMW with N52 engine, but you have a gasket, and that gasket will be leaking in your valve cover as well if it's a bad gasket. And ours is definitely bad. It's so stuck, it's instead of being like rubber soft, it's more like plastic now. So that's very common as well. Number 3, it could be a deformed valve cover that is not even, and as a result it doesn't seal good, or it could be a cracked valve cover. We've seen that happen as well. People not installing it correctly, you can crack this one super easy guys. And sometimes if you just have clean engine oil, it's not dirty engine oil, in one of the pockets it could be maybe somebody spilled engine oil when they did an oil change. We've seen that happen as well, but usually your engine oil will be clean and it will not be dirty. So you get the idea. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you want to see how to replace valve cover gasket, we'll have it on the channel for the 6-cylinder engine. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.